DIY face masks for all skin problems. Number 1. For oily skin. Mix gram flour with yogurt and turmeric to make a smooth paste. Now apply this paste on your face and neck for half an hour. Number 2. For dry skin. Mash 1 banana and add in little honey. Apply the mask evenly on the face and leave it on for 30 minutes. Number 3. For acne. Mix nutmeg with honey and milk. Apply it on your face. After 30 minutes, rinse off with cold water and pat dry. Number 4. For clogged pores. Combine the oatmeal and baking soda in a bowl. Slowly add a few drops of water to create a paste. Gently massage the paste over your face and let it dry. Wash off with warm water. Number 5. For pigmentation. Grate a raw potato finely and then add powdered oats and honey to it. Mix well and apply it for 30 minutes. Number 6. For blackheads. Mix the egg white and lime juice, and apply the mixture over your face. Leave on for around 10-15 minutes, and you will feel your skin tighten as the mask dries. Wash it off with cool water. Do this once a week. Number 7. For wrinkles. Mix pure aloe vera gel, honey and coconut oil. Apply the mixture and leave it on half an hour and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Number 8. For uneven skin tone. Take 1 tablespoon natural yogurt, add a teaspoon of water and mix well. Apply the entire face and neck and allow it to dry for 20-30 minutes. Wash with lukewarm water. Number 9. For dark circles. Make a paste by blending a tomato and lemon juice. Apply this around your eyes and leave it on for 20 minutes. Rinse it off thoroughly. Do this once or twice a week. To stay up to date with my latest videos and effective skincare tips, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the button above this video. Thanks for watching.